The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?
Dancehall. People, if you understand, they can't not see no really mental certain way. And me give her ability, and me give her confidence. When you see me kiss Candy upon life, I'm confident that me give her as a woman. When she start look good and look so, can me give her confidence for a boy like me, have her and kiss her. When I talk about Lord, so Lord now want nothing. Put in work and come and beat down the youth. Go on now go. What achievement me have? I'm a dancer of the year right now. But fuck when I talk about stop them thing there. That me I tell us that we want to tarnish youth career and try.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Seriousskilla. You see it? What's going on between Babylawd and Babylawd? Is everything alright or is it not okay? And why is it that Babylawd's mother is so angry at Babylawd? Alright, and is it that she is angry at Babylawd as well, which is her daughter? You don't know, because there has been a lot of videos put out there on social media, you see, from both their live and video as well, you see it? Like the other day I saw a video of Babylawd's mother saying some things about Babylawd, right? And then, me just present a video to you where Babylawd is explaining certain things about Babylawd and him. And now I have a video, well, two pieces of video of Babylawd saying something about Babylawd, alright? Take a listen and observe.
Yeah, good job. It's up, man. It's up.
Yeah. My mother talk. She believe Babylawd alone. Babylawd make trouble. She remember when Spy show, a Babylawd see me and take me and make me look like this. No. And it make man want me because what it come out. Well, again, leave the youth alone, make him stride. Make them up my to myself. Make me feel how I feel. Because back then, I didn't know how I feel. I didn't know. But in reality, I talk. My mother can leave Babylawd alone. Give him a break. Leave him alone, please. I beg you. My fans, team fans, my mother fans, all the media, I beg you. Now listen to her, nothing. What she says, it's all about money. Money and the roof of our evil. Yeah, may I beg you please. Just leave him alone. Make him have a peace. I trouble him, man. Please, allow him.
Discriminate and one but I fuck with like them India.
It's like how I want clothes too. I want everything like how I want it too.
But and that kid want clothes! Hey!
Cause me naked, yeah. Me naked too. He naked me worse. He hungry me a starve. So I want to allow Babylawd alone, please.
Stop come live, come like so you can come style man and some of them are watching me and then.
Yeah, so viewers and subscribers, there seems to be somewhat of a mix-up on social media about these persons. That's what I'm saying to you about what's really going on. That's the question being asked, right? And there's a lot of speculations out there where some people are saying that Babylawd cheated, right? And some speculations out there about him taking away Babylawd's money and all kind of things. That's what I'm saying, viewers and subscribers. So these are the things that are being said out there, you know what I mean? And up to the time, nothing not to confirm, at least to my knowledge, nothing not to confirm, right? And my name is Seriousskilla. I don't go off a hearsay on these things, you see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Seriousskilla, keep you up to date and posted with what I want on social media. And if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?